of all say it's a real honour to once again be platinum sponsors here of the AESIN event. It's great to see such a wide variety of people here. Looking forward to the rest of the day. So let me just very quickly go through who Cadence are. I mean, what I would say is I'm hearing a lot of elements of disruption to the industry, of the requirement for collaboration, requirement of ecosystem. So I can see that that's a theme, and I think that's something that's very important. So so some of you know Cadence extremely well. Some of you have heard of Cadence. Some of you may never have heard of Cadence. So I mean, from a corporate slide standpoint, we are one of the leading EDA companies in the world. We are actually the largest in Europe. We're a $4 billion company. We're now, this is down level in terms of number of employees. We're close to 12,000 employees, growing extremely quickly. The vast majority of those employees are R&D engineers. So very technology-focused and a major player. Now, we wouldn't necessarily have been a traditional automotive supplier. We play across many different industries. But automotive, the growth of semiconductors, the growth of electronics in automotive means that automotive is a critical market for us moving forward. So just very high level in terms of the strategy. Our foundation is an EDA company providing the tools to develop integrated circuits, whether they be analog, custom, or power electronics. But on top of that, we've evolved into a company that then is solving system challenges and providing tools, whether it be multiphysics, whether it be RF, whether it be computational fluid dynamics, or PCB. So above the IC and also at the system level and subsystem level. And then also with the fact that this all is about computational software is the fact that AI is now playing a major part and really influencing the development of many of our tools to accelerate those different elements and make them far more powerful. So we play across many different industries. Automotive, it says here autonomous vehicles, but it's way more than that. It really is across a broad spectrum of the automotive industry. Of course, we play in many other markets, very large in hyperscalers, 5G, other industries, medical as well. So, but automotive is a key industry there that we play on, and it is dealing with the design challenges that exist in that space. So whether it be from a silicon standpoint of IC, chiplet, or expanding beyond that to subsystems and then all the way up to fully integrated systems, we have many different flows and many different tools which enable to be. And we're looking to constantly, everybody's demands on whichever your application is, you've got to do things faster. Your time to market's more important. You've got to have higher performance. You've got to be tight thermal restrictions, power restrictions, and you've got to be robust in your design. And all of those elements are fundamental, intrinsic to how we develop our tools and the solutions that we provide to make those things easier and stronger. In the interest of time, I'll move forward in terms of just saying, give another example that you see in Cadence's move. We've just recently acquired a beta CAE on the convolution fluid dynamics area, and you'll also see that Cadence are a sponsor of a technology sponsor of McLaren, and Zach Brown's been quite open about the influence that Cadence has had on the recent resurgence of McLaren in the Formula One industry. So that was even prior to the acquisition of Beta. So you can see we're continuing to bring the solution set that we can provide to the automotive industry. So just very quickly then, there's a multitude of different applications that we play, whether it be autonomous driving and ADAS, whether it be infotainment, functional safety, of course, is a key element across so many different areas, and then adding to the subsystem and system side. A part of that, another additional growth we were talking about, software-defined cars, the fact that we're seeing virtual platforms and digital twin also being a major requirement. That is, we are continuing to evolve and provide solutions in that area as well. So whether you're needing design tools for different levels of an IC, a power electronics, a chiplet, or at a subsystem level or system level, where we've got a multitude of different tools. We've got a vast range of automotive-orientated IP. We've got compute hardware solutions, and we've also got a huge services team for those requiring additional services. So hopefully, as part of that ecosystem requirement that we said that collaboration is required, we'd like to say I think we can play a key part in that. And we've got a strong team out there at our booth, and we'd love you to come and talk to us. Okay, thanks. Enjoy your lunch.